Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a foundation single crochet. Although foundation stitches may seem complicated to make, you're basically doing your chain row and your first row all in one go, which is so amazing. So you basically start with your slip stitch and you're going to chain 2. Once you've made your 2 chains, you're going to insert your hook into the first chain. Make sure 2 loops are grabbed. You're going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over and pull through the 2 loops that you have remaining on your hook. For every stitch that you make in your row, you're going to make sure you insert your hook through the space right underneath where your loop is, and you're going to make sure that you grab what looks like a chain stitch. So those 2 loops that you see. And you're going to repeat the same 3 steps to make your chain. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You're going to keep repeating these 3 steps, and then once you've reached your desired length, to start your row 2, if you're going to continue to make single crochets, in this case I chained 1 and I turned my work, and you're going to see that the opposite side has your full single crochet stitch that you can work into. And there you have it, a foundation single crochet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions on a tutorial you'd like to see next, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, bye!